The world is moving. Data is constantly evolving, and schedules are becoming ever tighter. We long to conquer time, or at least tame it, to achieve our goals. In the context of industrial production, the concept of improved productivity is closely linked to efficiency and responsiveness. But how do you take your efficiency to the next level? Production, monitoring, adaptation. 3 concepts, many possibilities, one common aim. Produce more, produce better. Even more impressive, in terms of improved productivity, is the production of a bracelet link on a Bumotec S181, whose 90-position tool magazine, back operation with 5 front live tools, enable finishing operations on a second station machining simultaneously. Once again, the S181 produces a bracelet link in a single production cycle, reducing the cycle time by up to 40%. However, the innovation doesn't stop there. Following on from production, we come to the concept of monitoring. Monitoring and adjusting, supervising production. Monitoring is an essential stage in managing improved productivity. Although our machining centres are renowned for their exceptional stability in production, even intensive production, it's still wise to regularly monitor the tolerances of the parts produced in order to guarantee a continuous supply of components and combat the lack of qualified labour by automating tasks for interpreting dimensional values. To do this, our partner ESPI has developed Scanflash, a flexible solution enabling inline production monitoring and provision of numerical correction values, which can be used directly by the machining centre. The aim is to obtain parts within determined tolerances through instantaneous automated adjustments to the production parameters or tool corrections without interrupting production.